Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. And today I get a quick look at this 2021 Keystone Cougar. This is the 27 SGS. I got a tour from one of the staff members here on what makes this one different and stand out from the rest.
We'll start here with the solar system. This Cougar has an off-the-grid package, so that means it's got a 190 watt solar panel on the roof, already wired into the batteries. It's got a solar controller down here that lets you know what the batteries are doing, how much power is in there. It's also got a 2,000 watt inverter up there that's all already run in most of the outlets inside, and they're all marked with a little marking, let you know which ones are hot and which ones aren't. So this Cougar is at their half-ton series, dry weight under 9,000 pounds, hitch weight under 1,500. And it even has the auto level system. So you just push a button, set back, and it does its thing all on its own. So Cougar's a true 4 seasons coach. Heated and enclosed underbelly. They leave some dead air space under there and actually pump the furnace into the tanks down below. And then return it up through some of these compartments. But all of the dump valves and water connections and everything are all heated and enclosed. And you can run the hoses through that little hole right there. Cougar does a double insulated rear wall. So they actually build a hung wall so they can put outlets everywhere they want. And then they combine it with a bonded wall behind it to give it the extra rigidity. 27 SGS has 2 opposing slides, makes for a lot of room in a short coach, and they don't leave any quality out. All real wood cabinets, residential style hidden hinges, tons of USBs, both sides of these chairs, and 110 outlets on both sides. They leave a ton of outlets on here. Cougar has these new blade vents that actually kind of twist the air a little bit as it comes out. It's supposed to kind of make a whirlpool sort of a feel. You can direct where the air's going. Or if it's really hot, you can just open these guys up right here, have it all dump into one spot. This particular Cougar has a wardrobe slide here, so even on a short fifth wheel, you can have a little extra wardrobe there. It's also pre-wired for a second air conditioner, 50 amp service on this coach, so it's all ready to go. This Cougar has the InCommand system, so it's a digital display of just about everything this thing can do. So you have all your heat and air conditioning here, lights, slides, awnings, just about everything. Water heater, water pump, everything down here. You can even connect it to your phone. It'll run 2 Apple devices or connect to 1 Android device. It'll even connect to Chevy and GMC trucks.
Well, there you go, 2021 Keystone Cougar. Again, this is the 27 SGS from my friends over at Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula, Montana. To find out more about their services, their inventory, both new and used, check out the link below or simply go to brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios.